install Cursor AI on Windows 11, it's simple. Open up any browser and you need to go to the search bar and type in for Cursor IDE download, hit enter. So if you go down, you can see you have the first link of download Cursor. Click on that. You can see download for Windows. If you don't see, you can always go here and click. So download for Windows 64, this one. And this opens up. Just go and wait a bit. And it's almost done. Usually, sometimes it takes a bit of a time. So what I would do is oh, it's downloaded now. So yeah, once it's completely downloaded, just go and open it from here. And now wait a bit for it to open up the installer. Just go and click on yes. Click on I accept the agreement. Next, 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 and next, and install. It says setup is preparing. And now the installation has begun. So again, wait a bit for it. It could take any time between 30 seconds to a couple of minutes. So it's almost done. I think your installation is also going smoothly. I hope so. So if some things are missing, for example, in my case, the node modules are missing, so it is also installing those ones. And that's why I think it's taking a bit longer. So once it is done, just go and click on finish. And now it will launch the Cursor AI IDE on Windows 11. And you will be able to sign into your account and start coding with Cursor AI. Again, taking a bit longer than usual because my laptop is a bit on the slower end. Otherwise, if it doesn't even, you can see it is open now. If it doesn't even open, you can always go to search and type in for Cursor and open it again. Now again, for the first time, you can see it will ask you to sign up or log in. So just do that with your account. And I hope this video has helped you out to install Cursor AI IDE on Windows 11. But before you go, please like the video.